Hello, you guys, and welcome back to Gina's Natural Way. So I am Gina, and I am a certified holistic health coach, you guys. I am on a weight loss journey again. I lost a lot of weight before, and due to tragedy and just life happenstance, I gained a lot of it back. And so what I'm doing is back on a weight loss journey, you guys. And so we're going to do a 75 soft challenge / 75 empowerment challenge, where we take 75 days to just empower ourselves and feel better about ourselves, get healthy, do whatever we need to do. And if you want to join me on this journey, go ahead and join my Facebook group, which I will have a link in the box. And there's already some ladies that's over there that's starting to post, and we are all starting to get into the groove of things. So the ladies started on Wednesday, but I started mine on Monday. And so just so I can give you guys updates and kind of stay ahead and do these what I eat in a days, I am happy to report I've already lost 2 pounds. So I'm 2 pounds down, you guys. And I started mine on Monday. Today is Thursday. So listen, I am ready. I'm tired of the pictures. I'm tired of looking the way I look. I'm ready to be snatched and ready to get it together. All right. What I eat in a day video. And so I'm excited about that, you guys. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video. Breakfast, I made an oatmeal bake, and so I put squares on there, and then I have some Silk yogurt, which gives me a little bit more protein. It's got that 7 grams in there, depending on how much. I didn't put enough for 7 grams, but put a little bit on there. And then also these are turkey sausage that I have, and I'm gonna have a scoop of peanut butter, which will give me another 3 grams of protein as well. All right, so for lunch, I am making me a salad. I meal prepped some wings. So my wings are just in the air fryer, just kind of getting a little bit crispy. And then I'm just gonna have a salad. I'll show you guys what I'm having. We went to the farmer's market. I grabbed a bunch of lettuce, grabbed some strawberries from the market. I'm gonna put cucumbers, a carrot, and then this is a garlic scape that I'm just gonna put on in there for my salad. Okay, I got my wings already warmed up. So I have my salad. You guys, I used arugula. I used some strawberries, a little bit of walnuts, carrots, some regular romaine, walnuts, and a little bit of raisins. I like my salad to be delish. And then this is the drink I'm having, just some water. It's blueberry pomegranate. So all right, it is dinner time, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm having for dinner. So it's a turkey sandwich with sheep's milk cheese. There's arugula on there, some onions, and then I have some coleslaw and some watermelon. Okay, so I do have quite a few calories left. But anyways, I still need a lot more protein today. So I am going to so this is 9 grams if I can do a cup of the soy milk. And then this is peanut butter powder. So that's pretty good for 2 tablespoons. And then the Sun Warrior is got an extra 16 grams. So we're going to beef that up. I'll put on the screen how much this wind up being with all of that. Okay, so here's my smoothie. I'm just going to take it to go because we're about to do a walk tonight. And then this beef jerky, I measured it out. It's like 10 grams of protein. I think it's very low calorie, maybe 60 calories, something like that. I have been really enjoying my nightly walks, you guys. It has been so great. It's something about just getting outside and getting that fresh vitamin D, moving your body, and just getting that fresh air feels amazing. I love strength training. I love working out like that, but something about being outside, you guys, you should just try it. Just do a nice little walk every single night, and it's just you're in a better mood. It's so good. That was my husband, by the way. That was right there. But I want to encourage you guys, move your body more, join the Facebook group if you're interested in being in like-minded people like yourself, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.